Tech industry data from early 2026 presents a massive internal contradiction. In the first quarter, over 81,000 jobs were cut across the sector. Simultaneously, hyperscalers, Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Meta, increased projected annual AI infrastructure spending to $725 billion, a 77% surge. Internal memos from Meta and Cloudflare indicate these aren't post-pandemic corrections. These companies are trading human payroll for GPU clusters, betting that silicon can offset the rising cost of human talent. This capital pivot is fueled by the transition from software as a tool to software as a teammate. In the previous model, a human used a program to get a result. In the agentic model, the software acts autonomously, logging into systems and executing multi-step workflows without human intervention. This shift is a direct response to a looming demographic ceiling. By 2030, aging populations and declining birth rates are projected to leave 50 million roles unfilled in the technology and services sector. Today's infrastructure spending is an attempt to manufacture the labor force that the human population will soon be unable to provide. The tech industry is essentially auditioning autonomous agent swarms to run the global economy. However, this has triggered a deep divide among the architects of AI over whether the current math is actually capable of such a massive transfer of responsibility. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang argues that agentic AI is the bridge to the $50 trillion physical economy. He describes a future where software isn't just a digital utility, but an autonomous service capable of managing complex, real-world tasks. Huang's commercial vision involves factories run by robots and managed by other robots. He describes these facilities as a single integrated robotic organism, where every machine is a node in a cohesive, autonomous workforce. To manage the risks of this level of autonomy, Huang has partnered with ServiceNow CEO Bill McDermott to build what they call AI control towers. These platforms are designed to give enterprises a central kill switch and strict permissioning, treating AI agents with the same oversight as human employees. In this view, intelligence is a manufactured commodity. For Huang, slowing down deployment is a path to economic stagnation. The only way to resolve the labor crisis is to scale digital workers at the speed of electricity. Yann LeCun, Meta's chief AI scientist, views this rapid push for autonomy as premature. His skepticism is rooted in the architecture of the models themselves, which he argues are being overhyped and undertested. LeCun points out that large language models lack a world model. This logic flow shows the gap. Current models are sophisticated statistical guessers predicting text, but they lack the causal reasoning required to understand how one action impacts the next in the real world. Granting autonomy to these models creates what LeCun calls the malicious swarm risk. If you scale a flawed architecture, you simply scale the flaws, creating a system that can replicate errors at a speed humans cannot catch. We have already seen the result of ungoverned agency. During a recent pilot, an AI agent tasked with maintenance permanently deleted a production database in just 9 seconds because it lacked the grounded understanding to realize the gravity of its task. LeCun warns that the industry is being driven by CEO hype rather than scientific readiness. He believes today's agents aren't a reliable digital workforce, but a commercial illusion being sold by the companies that profit from the underlying hardware. The current job market is caught in the scimitar phase, a term used by Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei to describe the messy period where humans and AI are still learning how to cooperate. The immediate result is a hollowing out of the middle class of tech. Entry-level job postings have fallen by 35% in 18 months as companies automate routine tasks. Meanwhile, senior workers are becoming superpowered, using AI agents to handle the output that used to require a team of 10. To maintain value in this market, workers are pivoting from task executors to agentic orchestrators. This role involves architecting workflows, knowing how to chain multiple AI systems together to solve a high-level business problem. As AI generates the vast majority of digital content, the highest-paid skill has become truth auditing. The ability to verify logic, test edge cases, and find subtle errors in an agent's output is now a critical safeguard against systemic failure. There is also a surging premium on unautomatable skills. High-stakes negotiation, emotional intelligence, and building genuine human trust are capabilities that AI can mimic, but it cannot share the actual liability or stakes of the outcome. The 2026 layoffs prove being a fast doer is no longer a path to job security. Future opportunities lie in becoming a conductor, the person who can direct a swarm of agents while providing the human judgment